32.
Oh, 32, right.
Looks like Series 3 buttons.
Yeah. I'm gonna film these two.
So, this one.
This car up. So these are at Commerce Court North, correct?
Yep.
And these used to be Otis signal control, but now they're
Otis Series 2. 32?
Actually,
Oh. Let's see how high we can go.
looks like 29 is the highest. We're going
Oh,
up.
yep. Here we go.
We're gonna stop at 23, but that's okay.
No indicator.
Oh, that's interesting. I love these doors.
Me too. These look really nice, even with the mod.
Yeah. These are modded by Otis, I think, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It has the Otis beat. No indicator, though. That sucks.
Wonder why you don't typically see that in buildings like this.
That's a nice floor. Wow.
It is. I'll get a cab view since there is no indicator. Very beautiful cab. The cab's probably original.
Oh, yeah. Go on. You want to get off?
I want to go down and take another ride. It's too bad these are modded with Series 2, but this is very tastefully done though.
I'm trying to think, what fixtures are these?
Well, they kind of look like actually no, these are concave Series 4.
Oh, interesting.
These aren't Series 3. Series 3s press a bit differently, and they have white halos for the open and close. That, I'm guessing, is where the old indicator used to be. Now there's a piece of wood there. My ears just popped.
Yep.
Let's send it up to 29. And here we go again. If nobody's up here, we'll get off and transfer if you'd like.
Sure.
That's weird though, there's no indicator. But we'll just look at these buttons. The ceiling's been redone, but aside from that, this cab is definitely original.
Yeah, for sure.
$29. Let's see, is there anyone outside? Oh, perfect.
These are beautiful.
I love those lanterns. I don't want to call one down just yet. I want to get a look out real quick.
Okay.
Oh, this
I'm
is
gonna get a picture of these.
a really cool view from here. And I'm getting my chest blown air at by that thing.
Let me just get a picture of this.
Wonder if they're modding these again, because look, they took out the lights for the indicator they are in.
That's weird.
It looks like they're modding these again.
That's really stupid. Yeah, it looks like they're modding these again.
Well, we'll see for sure eventually. We'll just take this one back down. I love that lantern.
CC, right?
Yep.
I can't believe there's no indicator.
Yeah. There used to be an Otis globe down there.
And here we are.
Yep. CC. There you have it.
Okay. And
Here it goes.
I love these doors. That's it.
Me too. That'll be it.